Good afternoon once again, good morning, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Today I'm continuing with Alambradori PLC ladder logic programming. Okay, after that already. Today we are going to discuss lashing. Okay, lashing, unlash, and then we do what we call the parallel lashing. Okay, so we can lash in different ways. Okay, so remember, this is circuit space engineering services training and project division. Okay, let's get down to business. Now, this environment as usual. Okay, now for start programming, I want to deal with lashing. Okay, good. So first thing I add a rung, then I add a contact. Then my contacts, I'm still using the same thing I'm used to. So you always see the name appearing because the name is already registered in this very project. Okay, on. If I say on, I need an output, but the output I want has to hold when I release my hand from the button. That means I must have to lash it, but you can lash in many ways. So let me show you how I can lash. Okay, I take my coil. Okay, sorry, I take this coil here. You can see the coil has L inside. It means that this very output is a lash output, self-lashing. So I take my output. Okay, my output 0/0. You see, I is coil. Okay, let me call this man coil 1. Let me call it coil 1 because I'm using that. I'm going to use the coils. So it's now coil 1. Okay, now watch. Let me. If I lash this man, I cannot stop this machine. Okay, let's look at it. There is no error in compilation. Then let me download to PLC. Remember, I'm still working on same project file. Okay, I have to run the program. Okay, now I toggle bit. It's on now, but my hand is still in the button. Let me remove my hand from the button. Let's see what will happen. Oh, you can see it's lashed. It is not going off. Even when the input is off, he is not going off. And without provision of how to put this man off, it will remain on no matter what happens. So to put this man off, we have to do something. Okay, then we'll go offline. Okay, then the next thing we do is to get another bit that can actually unlash the lash, just like we normally do. We say anything set must be reset. This is just like a lash. Your lash, you unlash. Something like set and reset. Okay, lash, unlash, set, reset. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I pick another contact. So this is I. Okay, 0/1. That is isn't this stop? Okay, I will take here unlash, output unlash. See, so I will use this output O 0/1. Okay, that's quite 2. So let's see how I'm gonna unlash that. I'm gonna stop that man. We'll have to verify our project. Everything is fine. There is no error. Okay, the next thing is we'll download it to PLC. Download it to PLC. Download the PLC, and now it's running. Then we run the PLC. Okay, the current is running. So now I toggle bit. Okay, you can see it's lashed. Now the only way to stop this output from being functional is to trigger the unlash command. You can see. Oh, sorry. Trigger the unlash command. Toggle bit. You can see. Oh, something is wrong somewhere. You look at this. This address is not matching, so it's not gonna work. Here is 00. Here is 01. So it's not gonna work. So we'll do something. We need to change the address and make address common. Okay. So this address has to be 0. Okay. Now it's fine. So I download it again to PLC and okay, that's what I do. Okay, now it's gonna work. It's gonna work now. So now watch, let's energize. You can see, yeah, beautiful. So the unlatched coil is waiting to be unlatched. The output 0 is on. Okay, I'm removing my hand from the switch, from the button, so you can see. So the only way to put this man off is to trigger the unlatch. Watch, you can see it's gone. Beautiful. That's the only way out. So this, we can also use it to program reversible. Okay, reversible situation. If I press on, okay, that will be output 0 will come on, 01 will go off. If I press stop, that means I am looking, I want output 1 to come on and output 0 goes off. Okay, so in that manner I'm going to change. I'm going offline, so I will change this man to on 2. Okay, sorry, not number 2, on 2. Okay, on 2. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. So now watch, see the way I'm going to do. I will need a branch. I need what we call a wrong branch to execute this. Okay, I'll drop a wrong branch here. I will drop one wrong branch here. I'll put this man right in the middle. Put this man right in the middle. Just be watching what I'm doing. Okay, so now I need a contact here. I need a contact here as well. So now this man here is another output. Okay, 0/2. I think we'll have, okay, we'll have used the 0. Now we're using 1. 0/1. Okay, that's quite 2. Okay, so this same address, I'm going to unlatch it here. Okay, so you see the program now. So if I put on this man is on. If I put on this man is off, and this man is on. Beautiful. That's reversible. Okay, without any parallel latching here. It's functioning because this is a latch function, like a set reset function. Get that? Okay. Now let me compile. But there are errors. Where's error coming from? We have errors. Okay. Let's look at our errors. Hold on. There's an error. Oh, whoa! I see. This is a contact. This is a contact. Has to be an output. Oh, has to be an output, man. Ah, my bad. I'm using this latching function. Thank you. Take this address and put it here. Thank you. And I delete this man. I don't need you. And the same thing happens here. I take the unlatch for this coil, for this output 1. I take this, I copy this address, I drop it here. I'm okay. Then I delete this man. That's all I should have done. Oh, thank you. I made a mistake. Now let's compile. Beautiful, no errors. Program is sweet when you write and have a problem and you debug. Okay, thank you. So that is done, beautiful done. So now let us yeah, there's no error now. So download to the PLC, download to PLC, download to PLC. Okay, this can see the PLC is on. Now we can run the program. Okay, so now let me switch on. You can see output 0 is on. Output 1 is not on. This is output 0, beautiful. But output 1 is not on. But if I switch this man on, you see what happened? Output 0 is off and output 1 is on. I'm reversing the situation. So I can use this on 2 contactors to run one motor, forward and reverse. Now there's another kind of reverse, the one that you have to use the output coil, okay, to create a parallel line. Use the output coil, create a parallel line around the start button. Okay, let's try and see that so that we know that everything about lashing is done. Okay, let's look at that. So here, let's add a rung, then we'll get this. Let's call this I 0/2. Okay, that's on 3. Then we'll take an output. We'll call it O as output 0/2. Don't bother about this correspondence of 2 here. It can be I02 here. It can be 0. It can be O0 slash. The others can be /7. Can be /7. Okay, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, it mustn't be correct. It mustn't be having a corresponding number. Okay, thank you. Doesn't matter. I think that I have taught at the beginning. Okay, now we have this. Now, if I on this and if I on this and remove my hand, this man will go off because it is not latched. Okay, let's download this to PLC and try and see what I mean. Put it on ROM mode. Yeah, now watch. It's on now, but what I'm removing my hand, see, it's gone off. So the only way out is to do the parallel latching. Okay, we go offline. Correct. So what we'll do, we take a branch. So it has to go red. Take a branch. Okay, we put this inside. Then we'll take a contact in the branch and we'll take this. We'll carry this address to here. That's all. So that anytime this man energizes, this man closes, and if I remove my hand from this man, it's already a parallel path to the output. Okay, so I verify project, no error. Then I download it to the PLC. Okay, we are online now. You can see we are online. The next thing is to run the program. Beautiful. So now watch. You can see on. You can see this one is already on. So if I remove my hand from here, you can see it's still on. The output is still on. Okay, though I cannot put it off because I didn't put any stop button. I'm supposed to put a stop button here to put it off. Okay, so just showing you lashing. Okay, okay, let us stop it because anything put on must be put off. Okay, so if I want to stop it, all I will do, I'll take an NC. It has to go red. I take an NC, drop it here. I will call it I. Okay, 0/3. Okay, so this is, I call this one star. Okay, I call it star. Beautiful. So now watch. Let's compile. No errors. Project verification. Then here we are downloading to PLC. Okay, that is done. It's downloaded. Is now we can run the program. And okay, so let's see. Now I start. Okay, it's on. Fine. So the only way I can put this off is by turning this man, toggling this man. You can see every guy is gone. So beautifully done. Thank you very much. Remember, we are just trying to get ourselves acquainted with manipulation of instruction sets, contact, NONC, lashing, unlatch. Okay, we have done 3 types of lashing and unlatch here. I hope it's well explained. You understand it very well. Practice alongside with me. Before you know it, you are going to be asking this man to speed it up. This man is wasting my time. You know, I know you will do that. Thank you very much. God bless you. Remember where we are: Circuit Space Engineering Services, Training and Program Division, MMP, on the driving seat. Happy doing what I'm doing, making sure you get the best of the programming details you can ever get in automation, as long as our brotherhood is concerned. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you in that next part of that training. God bless you once again.